Hi guys, welcome back to Chinese Parrot. Today we are going to learn finals. We have learned compound finals in the last few lessons. Do you remember? So today we will keep on studying the nasal final. Nasal final is a final with a nasal ending. The first one is an. It came from two characters an. 安全 means security. An. When we pronouncing an, pronounce a firstly, then pronouncing n. An. Let's learn the four tones of an. 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 The second one is on. It came from two characters, 航 海, which means navigation. On. When we pronouncing on, pronounce a firstly, then shrinks back the tone gradually and the air flows through the nasal cavity. On. Let's learn the four tones of on. Let's review what we have learned this class. An, on. The homework for today is reading and writing what we have learned. Okay, so much for today. See you next time. 再见。